The 2011 Kia Optima. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.